G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here at a fantastic home, 12 Faraday Court in the popular and centrally located suburb of Urraween. We are only minutes away from just about everything that makes Hervey Bay great. Let's go and take a look around. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with owning this home, being only minutes away from Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, schools, TAFE, university, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This sound brick home was completed around 1997 and showcases a light and spacious single level floor plan designed to create an exceptional living retreat positioned on an elevated 705 square metre allotment in a quiet court. The open plan main living and dining area truly does form the heart of this home and includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning throughout for year-round comfort. The kitchen includes plenty of bench and storage space, plus a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. This home offers space for everyone, so you'll all be able to enjoy your favourite television series or the latest blockbuster movie with a second lounge or living area, again with split system air conditioning. You will enjoy your morning cuppa with the first light of day or a refreshing beverage with the last rays of light from the large outdoor al fresco entertaining area. This is where you'll bask in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which does flow throughout this home. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, bath and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The double garage has been converted into a multi-purpose room with air conditioning and storage built in behind the front roller doors. This home offers clear side access to the 9 by 5.8 metre shed, which does have power connected and offers a rear drive-through access door. Those who are looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 6.6 kilowatt solar power system, chicken run and established vegetable gardens. Homes in this location and price point are slim pickings and in high demand. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.